Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? When you're getting low on thread, about just a finger's length left, we're going to tie up some knots and rethread our needle. So to do that, we just do our knots coming out close to the same hole you already came out to create that loop of thread. Put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. And we're going to do that at least 3 times before we cut off our thread and rethread our needle. Perfect. So we'll cut off our thread, pull out some more, and rethread our needle. Smooth it out. And then you just start sewing the exact same way, down and out through the fabric. Pull your thread through, but leave a bit hanging out. Back and out close to the same hole again to create that loop. Needle through the loop, let shut. So it's a knot, and do at least 2 or 3 knots. And now we'll just keep sewing. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.